Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to unlock Google Pixel 9 without the password. Alright, so let's begin. So basically there are a few options how you can perform this, and I'm gonna show you all of them. So let's say that the phone is locked and we can't do anything. But for the first method, we're gonna pretend that it's not locked, but I'm gonna tell you that you can perform this action from any other phone. So have that in mind. Or any other device. It is only up to you. Okay, so first one is by using Google Find My Device. So let's open up our browser. Let's select the first option and click on Sign In. And remember that you need to be logged into the same Google account that you have used in the setup process. And as you can see, we have our Google Pixel 9. So let's click on it, and now we need to select Factory Reset Device. As you can see, all of the data will be erased permanently from Google Pixel 9, and after the reset, the device location will not be available in Find My Device. And the third, if the device is offline, erasing will begin once it's online again. So that's the three things that you need to remember when you want to do this process. Also, if you don't have backup, which is really convenient option to have your data and have option to restore them in the future. If you don't know how to create such a backup, there's a video on our channel when I'm describing the whole process and I'm showing you, so if you want you can look for it. Okay, so now you need to click on next. Now we need to wait until it gets loaded. Now I need to verify with my lock screen. And now all you need to do is to tap on the reset. But I'm not gonna do it right now, because there's also the second option that I'm gonna show you. So now let's say the phone is locked. We don't remember the password. Also, I would tell you that please only try to unlock your phone, in no other case someone else's, because that may be considered as a crime, as a theft, and that's also unethical, so have that in mind. So the phone is locked, we don't remember our PIN. And what to do now? We can use the recovery mode. To enter this mode, first up we need to turn off our phone. So let's tap the power button and the volume up button at the same time. And let's click on power off. Okay, now the screen went black. And what to do now? We want to hold the power button and the volume down button until we get into the fast boot menu first. So let's perform this action. Let's keep on holding the power and the volume down button, and now we are in the fast boot. Now using the volume keys, we need to select the recovery mode. Okay, and now we need to confirm by clicking the power button. Okay, the Google logo appears, and now the Android logo and it says no command. Okay, to move forward actually from here, we need to hold the power button and then tap the volume up. So we need to keep on holding the power button and tap the volume up with other finger and then release both of the fingers. So I'm gonna show you how this works. We keep on holding the power button. Now we click volume up. We quickly release our fingers, and now we are in the recovery mode. Okay, and now using the volume buttons, we need to select the wipe data / factory reset. Let's confirm by clicking the power button. In here you can also see that this cannot be undone. Just like in the first case, you will lose all of your data, so having a backup is a nice option. So now select factory data reset, confirm. You can see on the bottom of the screen that data wipe has been completed. Now select reboot system now, confirm by clicking the power button, and within a few seconds the phone will be automatically turned on and you will need to set it up. Also, if you have a proof of purchase, you can try to go into the authorized center and there look for help. Okay, so that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.